bubble tea this time.
So
Good morning, Foxy.
he's warm.
Morning. Get some sun. Because it was so cold, cloudy. Enjoy some sun, Foxy. We do too. Good. You going outside today?
Yeah.
So sunny weather. We need to go out, right? Good morning.
Go to the pet store.
To the pet store. Yes, sir. Going to the pet store. Kiss?
Who's your taggy pillow?
Let's see. Z dedykacją dla Tosi.
This one.
This one, he's so cute. He likes us chyba. Zobacz. He likes you. He likes you. Hi.
He like him. He like me.
Another one.
And another one came out.
Oh my goodness. If they weren't so fast, we would get one.
There are two.
Because I know they're super fast. They run like crazy because my friend have
He
one
wanna eat this one.
some time
He
ago.
wanna eat the cover pieces.
And they were running around the house like
very crazy.
Yeah.
And he's touching the grass. They're touching the grass.
Oh, they're so cute. Hi, babe. No, don't kiss the glass.
Okay, I can kiss it.
No, don't kiss it. It's dirty.
They're very cute.
I know.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, he's adorable. Well, they all are adorable. Too bad they have to be here. This little. Oh, look at this one. Zobacz, jaki cute.
Can go down.
Zobacz.
Oh, they're called Foxy.
Yeah, like Foxy. Oh my god. Look at the husky. Oh, if I pick one, I will pick this one.
Even this.
Look at him. Look at him. They're so playful.
They're playful.
Yeah, they all want to play with you.
You want to play with me?
Mm-hmm.
She goes up front with the golden Oh, this is a tough one.
Mm-hmm.
This is a tough one.
Tough one?
Yeah.
Oh, this one is sleeping.
Oh, there's a doggy. Even again.
Wow.
Even he's showing my dogs.
I was looking for a specific dog.
Well, in the future, yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Can I have this? Can I have this one?
That one?
Yeah.
You're gonna play with the husky.
This one.
Yeah.
This is good.
Thank you. She's gonna get a husky for us. You see it?
See. Hi.
Yeah, she's gonna pick it up.
He
Oh my goodness. Ah. Okay.
We just need to leave him on the
Oh
floor
my
because he's so
goodness.
little, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I was
Hi, puppy.
We get some toys for dogs.
Yeah, I'll get you a toy for the dog.
Yeah, okay.
Ty wszystko załatwisz, Dawid.
You wanna get a toy for dogs?
You can play with him, don't be worried. He's chasing him. He's chasing you. The funny one. Oh, he's a funny one. Oh, thank you. Here you go.
Thank you. That's for the ball.
Yeah.
And that's
But you have to sit down. He have to be on the floor, okay?
okay.
Hey, puppy, look at you. Let me look at your eyes. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Hi. Oh, look.
You wanna play the ball?
Hi, puppy.
Hi, Bobby.
Hello, puppy.
Hi. He's dog.
Mm-hmm.
He's
Aynen. Careful. Careful. If he won't scratch you. The ugly sweaters, they're not so ugly. 50% off, so holiday stuff.
Super Mario.
Super Mario. We have big lots, they have delicious pickles. Come on,
Remember that?
ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Clearance, 50% off. For soap, you need one soap.
Foam.
And it's
Foam.
half off. That's a foam? That's called foam?
Yeah. Okay.
See, he knows everything. He's teaching me English. Usually at that time I'm already giving up on my New Year's resolution, but not this time. 40 minutes walk and run, almost 3 miles and 265 calories. So I can have my smoothie now. Healthy juice. Let's go make it.
You're gonna see it so much. See it.
Wow,
Look at that rainbow for you. I wanna
that's so
build.
nice. Thank you.
You're gonna make a special for you.
Okay. It's his old Play-Doh. That's why the colors are mixed with some glitter, I think. Wow, that'll be cool cupcakes.
Hello. Good.
Then squish it. Push it. Oh, like this. And you have pasta. What are you doing?
Relaxing.
Relaxing?
Yeah.
Where did you see that? Show me, how do you relax? Do I do it?
Yeah.
I do it like this?
Yeah.
Oh my good. Oh my good.
Like this. I like this. Oh yeah.
You're observing so much.
That's close, Mama.
Of course.
Yeah.
We are on the mission right now, okay? Give me a hand.
Huh?
I got a list for you. And you have to help me do some shopping. There you go. You have to find all those vegetables. Can you help me?
Yeah.
What we got there?
Some milk and some bananas and some.
So we have to find it now, okay? What else we need? Do we need? Show it.
Merry Burger. Grapes.
No, this one.
Yes. Look at those. Yeah.
2. There you go. Thank you. Huh?
Ice cream.
Okay.
Ice cream.
First time in years we went to Burger King. We usually go to McDonald's with him. We were thinking somebody gonna be here, some kids, but nobody here. Nobody here for you to play.
Yeah. You wanna play me?
Come on. Yeah, eat a little bit and then you can go play.
I'm sure I don't want to do it. Sorry,
Careful.
Mama.
Good?
Yeah. There's no kids there.
There's no kids?
Yeah.
You don't have anybody to play with you?
Yeah.
Do you want to go to other place that you can play with somebody? Yeah? Are you gonna be nice?
Yeah.
And you're gonna behave?
Yeah.
And if I'm gonna say, let's go home, you have to take all your stuff and we're gonna go home, okay?
Yeah. Mama.
Okay?
Mama, put your mother. This is kids. This one is
Kiss.
When again they sell pizzas and I'm a banana. Hey, and so many bowl of green from the robots.
I have no idea what you're saying. I'm so into those spring rolls lately. Doing spring rolls every other day. I put only vegetables, no meat on stuff. I know with the shrimp it would be so much better, but I don't put anything besides the vegetables and it's still good. Some footage what I did, so I'm so proud that I made up spring rolls and they're so good. Even though no shrimp or anything, it's very good. Cupcakes later, okay?
Yeah, come.
Some questions?
No.
Please.
Okay.
Okay, so what's your favorite color? Every time different one.
Black.
Every time different. Black and what else?
And white and black.
White and black. Black and white. Cat is your favorite animal?
Yeah.
Cat. What's your favorite food?
A dog and a cat.
A dog and a cat. What's your favorite food?
Uh,
Quick, time goes by so fast. Quick, what's your favorite food?
Sandwich.
Salad?
A sandwich.
A sandwich, okay.
Thank
That's it
you.
for today. But thank you for the interview.
Thank you for the interview. All of them. Yummy. Oh, good goat.
David is watching the last cartoon before he goes to bed. If he's having a busy day like this, he's gonna fall asleep in like 10 minutes. If he don't, then it's a little bit longer. Anyway, guys, when he's watching I can talk because otherwise he's talking and he's the star of the show. So happy and so thankful for the people that stayed with me for such a long time, guys. It have been like 6-7 years and it's like I'm shocked that I know people for that long, even though I didn't post for that long. Now I'm back and they're still here. So and welcome the new ones, the new people, new subscribers, new viewers that came to my channel, and I appreciate all of you. Camilo will probably show up in the new videos as well, so you can expect that. Well, he was in the first video, I think, so you can expect him to show up as well. And some trips coming up, hopefully, like even around the Vegas, you know. So we might travel a little bit more as much as the times will permit. So kisses again and see you in the next one.